20 shoe business ideas you can start today. Hey everyone! Do you love shoes? Ever thought about making money from them? Today, I'm sharing 20 shoe business ideas you can start right now. Let's jump right in. And please subscribe to this channel. 1. Shoe repair business. Fix worn out shoes, replace soles, and make them look new. 2. Shoe cleaning service. Many people love clean sneakers, but don't want to do it themselves. Offer a shoe cleaning service. 3. Athletic shoe brand. Design comfortable and stylish shoes for runners and athletes. 4. Handmade leather shoes. Craft stylish, high-quality leather shoes and sell them online. 5. Dropshipping shoes. Sell shoes online without keeping stock. Just partner with suppliers. 6. Limited edition sneaker. Resell buy rare sneakers and sell them for profit. 7. 3D printed shoes. Make futuristic, customizable shoes with 3D printing. 8. Subscription box for shoes. Send trendy shoes or accessories every month to subscribers. 9. Baby and kids shoe store. Start a cute collection of baby or kids shoes. 10. Eco-friendly shoe brand. Create shoes made from recycled materials. 11. Shoe rental business. Rent out designer or specialty shoes for events. 12. Custom sneaker design. Turn plain sneakers into artwork. Hand paint, add designs, or even print unique patterns. 13. Shoe personalization kits. Sell kits with paints, stickers, and laces so customers can personalize their own shoes. 14. Shoe-inspired accessories. Sell keychains, phone cases, and more featuring shoe designs. 15. Online shoe styling service. Help people pick the best shoes for their outfits. 16. DIY shoemaking classes. Teach people how to make their own shoes. 17. Custom orthopedic shoes. Make stylish shoes that are also great for foot health. 18. Glow-in-the-dark shoes. Create cool sneakers that light up at night. 19. Mobile shoe store. Take your shoe business on the road with a mobile van store. 20. Bridal and wedding shoe boutique. Sell elegant shoes for brides and wedding guests. That's it, guys. 20 amazing shoe business ideas that you can start today. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business tips.